Ever since Grandpa passed away, Ethan often visited the old workshop, unaware that a great secret was waiting for him. But one evening, a strange ticking sound caught his attention. Behind the shelf, he found a mysterious box nobody had seen before. Inside the box lay an old pocket watch engraved with strange symbols. The moment he wound the watch, something incredible happened. Hearing the commotion, Ethan's friends Lily and Noah came running inside.
Ethan, what is going on here?
I don't know, it just started.
Then, a mysterious figure appeared before them. Ethan, if you are seeing this, my greatest secret is finally yours. Did you really think it would be that easy? Before disappearing, he left behind a hidden map.
To their amazement, a secret entrance appeared. Deep beneath Silverwood, forgotten tunnels awaited them. But someone else was following their every move. It was Mr. Blackwood, who wanted the Clockmaker's power for himself. A race against time had begun. At the heart of the chamber stood the legendary crystal clock. For a moment, it seemed that Mr. Blackwood had won. Only by trusting each other could they save Silverwood. Deep, at last, balance returned to time itself. Deep. The Clockmaker thanked the friends for protecting his life's work. A new day had begun for the town. And from that day on, they remembered that time is life's most precious treasure.